my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to do newspaper nail art. So let me tell you what things do you need to do newspaper nail art. For that you need, first of all, you need these 5 pieces of newspaper like this, and try to take newspaper pieces which are written closely, like they should not be gap. If you can see it, it's written all over here. So I have taken 5 pieces of newspaper. After that you need nail paint, light nail paint. You can take gray nail paint is much better, or you can take blue, light blue. So I'm taking this nail paint because I have this one only right now. And after that a earbud, or you can take cotton, and a bowl of water. So to do the nail art, first of all what we need to do is, just I'm doing for one hand, so I'm taking 5 pieces. So first of all, for one hand, just take the piece and put it into water. Just dip it into water for 50 seconds. Till that time you can put nail paint on your hand, first hand. So first put nail paint. These are my nails after 2 coats of nail paint. I will let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes. I have put newspaper on the water for 50 seconds. Now my nail paint is dried up. So what I'm going to do is, just these are the soap newspapers. I will take one newspaper. I will take the side, this side which I want to print on my nails. But before that, I'm going to dip my nail in the water for 40 seconds is enough. For 40 seconds. So first what I'm doing is, when my nail paint is dried up, I'm just dipping my nail into the water for 50 seconds. So now what I'm going to do is, I'll just take one piece of this newspaper which I put first. This was the first page which I had put first. Now I'll just wrap it around my finger, around my nail, I'm sorry. So first what I'm going to do is, now I'll just wrap it around my nails like this. So I have wrapped the newspaper in my finger. So now what I'm going to do is, I'll take the earbud, just dip it in the water, just make it wet, and start rubbing around the nails slowly, and just push it like this. Rub it. Just be gentle, don't be so fast, just do it very slowly. Just push it inside like this and rub it for 50 seconds or 1 minute. "50 seconds are enough. Now wait for more 50 seconds, just leave it like this only. Now after Now after 50 seconds, just remove the newspaper very slowly like this. And the result is in front of you. As you can see, I have done my first nail. As you can see, I have done my first nail of newspaper. It's not clearly visible on camera, but it is visible if you see like this. And this is the second nail. Doesn't come out very good, but okay. This is the third nail. And now I'm going to do the other two nails. It's very simple. Just take the nail paint, put it on your hand, let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes. Then take the wet newspaper, wrap it around and push it inside like this, and just remove it slowly and you will see the result. Now I'm going to do my second two nails. And yeah, one more thing, after that, when you have done the newspaper like nail art like this, you just apply transparent nail paint, that is of watercolor nail paint, to just make it stay for longer. I didn't have that color right now, so that's why I haven't applied that, but you can do it. Just when you finish this newspaper nail art, just apply the coat of that transparent nail paint on your nails. It will stay longer on your nails. So guys, this is how my nail looks. This is the nail art. You can see small print of newspaper nail art. You can see small print of newspaper on my fingers. So I have tried it a lot. It doesn't come out in one go. I have to try it for 2-3 times. That after that I got the result. So what I realized, that I have to just push it when I put the newspaper. I wrap the newspaper around my nails. I have to push it like this and let it dry. And before removing it, just rub it like this slowly and then remove it. And for the base color, take the gray color. That is the good color. I didn't have the gray color, so I used another color. So yeah, this is the nail art. Subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.